Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, The Tricknology. Today I have come up with something really very simple and yet very interesting. I'm going to show you how you insert a table from an Excel to a Word document. Now there are various ways of doing this, but the choice certainly depends on your requirement. Don't worry, I will show you 3 ways of inserting a table and also let you know what are the pros and cons associated with each of the techniques so that you can take your best decision and select the best way of inserting a table. So let's get started. Okay. So I have an Excel here ready for you. The first thing I want to tell you that this Excel is having a formula in total cells. So total cells is nothing but the sum total of cells in 2018 and 2019, and I have added both 2018 cells, 2019 cells to get the sum total. Now let's go to our Word document. Now in this video I want to share with you some bonus tips like auto-generate a paragraph. So have you ever heard that you can also generate a paragraph with a simple formula in Word document? Yes, you are right. You heard it correct. As you can use formulas in Excel, so you can do in Word document also. Now, how it happens? So let's get started. Equals to RAND, open bracket, and suppose I want 2 paragraphs with 3 lines in each of the paragraph. I will put 2, 3. Close bracket, enter. Now you see the Word has created a paragraph for me with 2 paragraphs and each paragraph having 3 lines. Okay, so suppose I have to insert a table under this paragraph. So what I'm supposed to do? So there are 3 ways. So the first way is very simple. Okay, I will just go to my Excel, copy the area I want to copy paste. Control C, go back to my Word document, and here I need to paste it. So for paste I can use a shortcut Control V, or I can go to the tab Home, Paste, drop down and select the first option. And here you can see that my Word document has a table which I have copied it from the Excel. Now, what are the pros and cons of using this table? Now, the first thing is like this is a simple table which you have copied from the Excel to the Word document. And you can do editing as per your wish. Suppose you want to change the sales figure in 2019 for North region as maybe 200. So you can see that when I put 200 here, this portion, that is the total cells which had a formula in Excel, it is not getting auto updated. Ideally it should have been 384. Now although this technique is very simple, but the problem with this technique is like in case you want to do any editing, you have to be very careful about the figures because it doesn't give any auto updation. So this is about the first technique. Now one more thing I want to show you, like few people have a problem like adjusting the table. So how can you do that? That is also a very simple technique. Since I'm going through this topic, let me also give you some important tips like how you can adjust your table in the Word document. As of now, we don't see any problem in adjusting the table because it has perfectly fitted itself. But in case there are scenarios where the table is not being popular, half of the table is been populating and half is not, and you have to make some changes, how you are going to do that? So it's very simple. Just click on the plus symbol which is on top of the table. So clicking that, you will be able to select the entire table. Now just right click, there will be an option called as table properties. Click on that and you can adjust the table left, right, center. So suppose I want to make it center. And one more option I want to tell you that there is an option called as text wrapping around. So if you click on that, that will enable you to move the table any direction you want. Let me show you this. So I am clicking on around and clicking on OK. So once I have done that, you can see that my table can be moved from one place to another. So I want to put it here, I want to put it there. Okay, so that's how you can adjust the table once you select on around. Now let's proceed with the second technique of inserting the table. The second way is like, just go to the Excel, copy the entire table, come back to the Word document, and in the paste option you will find something called as paste as picture. In my Word document there is something called as picture view. So once you click on that, you will get the table inserted in the form of picture. So one of the good thing about inserting a table in the form of picture is that you need not take a screenshot or you need not crop any image and then paste it in the Word document. It automatically comes as a cropped image. Now you see, one thing I want you to notice is like, if I want to move this image anywhere, it is not possible. See, it's not getting moved anywhere. So what I'm supposed to do in case I want to move this image, there is a symbol you will be able to see around the table, and this layout option will take out to various options which you can select for text wrapping. So just select tight, and then you can see that you can move the object very freely. Now the worst part of this is like, you can't do any editing on this. So if I want to change the figure from 366 to any other, like for example 367, it won't get changed. And one more thing I want to add here is, in case you are selecting this object, one of the best or useful tips would be that there are scenarios where you're supposed to create a Word document and you have certain word limit. So when you copy paste a table in form of image, this won't be counted in the word limit. You can note that the word count won't get increased because this is not in the form of word, this is in the form of image. So that is a best part. You can keep a track or limit your word count if you copy paste an image or copy paste the data in the form of image. So this is a little trick for people particularly who are dealing with some assignment or a project where the word count is really very important. And yeah, so let's proceed with the third technique of inserting a table. The third technique is really very important for people who want to actually do some Excel activity in the Word document itself. Now yeah, that is also possible. You can work with any formula even in the Word document, inserting the Excel from the Excel worksheet. So how you are going to do that? So that is also very simple. Just go to the Excel sheet where you have your data ready. Now copy the data once again and then go to paste, and in paste you will see an option paste special. Just click on paste special and there will be a list of features available. So you are supposed to click on Microsoft Excel worksheet object. Select that and click on OK, and you will see that on double click the Excel itself is available to you in the Word document. Once you do double click, you will see that you are taken back to the Excel sheet. You can do any kind of calculation as you do in the Excel and put any kind of formula as you do it in normal Excel, even you are working in Word. So as I have already told you, the total sales figure is having a formula, and it is the sum total of a column D and column E. So suppose I am going to change in column E, and let's make it 186. So this figure in column F has to increase by 1. So let's see whether it gets increased or not. So yeah, see, it gets updated automatically because the formula is working even though it is in the Word document. So this is very convenient in case you want to have your Excel inserted in the Word document, which is actually an Excel. And you can change the very Excel into a table once you click anywhere outside the sheet. For example, I'm just note my cursor that I'm clicking outside the table and see the Excel format is vanished, and what I get is a tabular form of whatever data I want to insert in my Word document. Yeah, so that's all for today. Have a good day. Bye bye. Take care. And we will catch up in my next video. Okay, everyone. Thanks for watching my video. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.